transverse. Okay, this is transverse line. This is transverse line. Okay, so what we do for this, anesthesia is needed. With one hand we hold the buttocks. You can do it properly in one model here. Yes, later on you can practice like this, and with one hand hold the head. Sometimes if labor has started, hair is descended, then you have to disimpact. If it is floating, no problem. Okay, like this. Then by external cephalic version, we change the transverse line into cephalic presentation. Okay, so do it like this, 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 this. Then you will change your hand and okay. External podalic version, we change transverse line into breech. Okay, so here, which is easy? This one, because you have to rotate less. Now, internal podalic version. Internal podalic is done for second twin. Second twin means first twin was in cephalic presentation delivered, but second twin was in transverse line. So generally we don't go for cesarean section. Twins are generally small in size. We go for internal podalic version. Okay. So this is the combination. Okay, twins. Firstly, generally we say this is first twin and second twin. Anyone? How can you say this is first? For undergraduate level, you can just write on palpation multifetal parts felt, and but for auscultation two heart sound. But if you are postgraduate, you have to write on this side. Your finding will be right is the back in the midline limbs. Then left side is the back. Then left side Pauli grip empty, deep belly grip empty, fundal grip empty, and right side what you can say buttocks, on fundal grip buttocks, and this Pauli grip head. Okay, but for you, if you can write separately. Otherwise, multiple fetal part felt and two auscultated. Now, so how can you say which one? Okay, after delivery, which is delivered first, you can say this is first, and this is very, very important. Tag it. Otherwise, after delivery, they will fight. I am okay. I am boss or like this. There may be difference of 1 minute, 2 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, so you have to label it. This is first baby, second baby. Okay, or third, fourth maybe. I have delivered 5 or 6 babies at a time. So now, how can you say this is first baby or second baby?
हम लोअर वाला जो होता है.
Yes. So level is important. Which is at the lower level is the first twin. Now, conjoined twins, they are joined together. Okay. Here, even by palpation and auscultation, you can say this is conjoined twin. Because if they are not joined, they will move separately. And level of head is different, level of fetal heart sound is different. But if conjoined twin, they will move together. And level of everything is at the same level. Fetal heart sound is also same level. Okay. So here, first twin or first baby presentation is cephalic. Okay, it is delivered. This is called forthcoming head. Okay, this is delivered like this. Now, second is the transverse. So you can either go for emergency cesarean section or you can go for internal podalic version. Means internally you will change the transverse line into breech presentation. We don't go for internal cephalic, it is difficult. For this, in your book it is written anesthesia is needed, for external anesthesia is not needed, just reverse. For this anesthesia is not needed because cervix is fully dilated, fully effaced, membranes ruptured. If not ruptured, you can go for rupture of membrane. Then one hand here, okay, this hand in the vagina, like this, okay, and with this hand you will give pressure. So you will hold the head and it was like this, okay. So like this and slowly rotate it. Then you will deliver as a breech. This is internal podiatric version, okay. Now PV examination. So PV examination, OPS PV examination. OPS PV examination, you have to check cervix is dilated or closed, it is effaced or not, effacement, thinning of the cervix, okay. And if cervix is dilated, how much dilated? Fully dilated cervix 10 centimeter. Then you have to feel for anterior fontanelle, posterior fontanelle, sagittal suture. If sagittal suture in the epidiameter of pelvis, head is rotated. Okay. Then you have to feel for membranes are ruptured or intact. If membranes are intact, smooth feeling. If ruptured, then you will feel hair of the baby, rough feeling, and you have to go for adequacy of the pelvis. So this one here, your finding is one finger loose or two finger tight. One finger loose or two finger tight, and it is uneffaced or partly effaced cervix because this is thick cervix. Okay. Here you can see cervix is dilated, 4-5 centimeter dilated, partly effaced. Here you can see sagittal suture. This, yes, last row. Okay, so it should be in the like this. You can see in the epidiameter. It should be like this, not like this. If like this, head is unrotated. Head is unrotated. Now head is rotated. Clear? Next, this is, you can see, cervix is almost fully dilated. 8 to 9 centimeter dilated cervix. 8 to 9 centimeter dilated cervix is called rim. R-I-M. So rim, if you are saying rim means cervix is 8 to 9 centimeter dilated. Now here you can see cervix is very thin. Here cervix is thick. Okay. So it is 100% effaced. Effacement we take in percentage. So your diagnosis is cervix rim is there, 8 to 9 centimeter dilated, 100% effaced. Now head is rotated because head in the epidiameter. Now in the oblique diameter, transverse diameter. Now you have to feel fontanelle. This is anterior fontanelle, this is posterior fontanelle. So here anterior fontanelle is close to symphysis fluid. Anterior fontanelle is palpable. So what is the position?
Occipito anterior.
Posterior. How many are saying occipito posterior? How everybody is saying? Yes, position is occipito posterior. Because this is anterior fontanelle, this is posterior fontanelle. So if this is palpable like this, okay, occiput is anterior or posterior? One minute. This is anterior fontanelle, this is palpable like this. Now here is occiput. Okay. So same thing if now this is palpable. So position will be, so if posterior is palpable, this is occiput, this is posterior fontanelle. So this is palpable, position will be occipito, occipito anterior. This is palpable, means anterior fontanelle palpable or cystopod is palpable. So position will be anterior. Clear to everyone? Now, here cervix is fully dilated. You can't feel any part of cervix. Why? Because it has merged into lower uterine segment. Okay. So merging of cervix into lower uterine segment is called Wisserton. Okay. So it has merged. So fully dilated, fully effaced. Head is rotated. This fontanelle is palpable. Anterior. So position is occipito-posterior. Now your finding is cervix is fully dilated, fully effaced. On the right side, posterior fontanelle, on the left side, anterior fontanelle, and sagittal suture in the transverse diameter of pelvis. So head is rotated, unrotated. Okay. So this one now gynae PV examination and